EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for January 9th, 2020. We have a cold day on tap today. Actually, technically colder than it was yesterday, but you're not going to feel as cold because we're not going to have the wind today. Yesterday we had the wind chills and windy conditions. Today the wind will be negligible, and even though air temperatures are going to be in between about freezing or thereabout and mid-30s from north to south. So it's going to be pretty cold today, and this is seasonable for January, and this will be the only cold day we see this week. This has been projected for a long time now, that once we reach the 10th, that the warm starts coming back in, and that's tomorrow. So we are expecting that to come in on Friday. We will have a system here moving toward the region. It's going to send a warm front along the ridge. That's going to be north of our region on Friday, so I don't expect any precipitation with this. Very strong high-pressure city out in the Atlantic. This is 1,040 millibars. This is very strong. This would be, if this was summertime, this would be a heat wave high here with a very strong southwesterly flow around this high pressure. So we're going to get that coming in here on Friday, but we are going to have mostly cloudy or cloudy skies the entire day and night, but not expecting any precipitation at all on Friday night, and actually at least Saturday morning. There's an opportunity that once we get into later in the afternoon on Friday for mainly our northern area, or excuse me, Saturday, for mainly our northern areas, that we'll have the opportunity for some scattered showers. That's going to be closest to this warm front. As this low pressure moves north, so does that rain. And so Saturday night should be, or Saturday evening should be dry, but we're going to be very warm here on Saturday. Very warm. We're going to go from this, which is today, so you got low to mid-30s, and then you go to this on Saturday, and there's some 60s for our central and southern areas. This is very warm temperatures, and this is looking at Saturday, and then we can move ahead to Sunday before the front moves through, and it's even warmer in some locales, especially across the eastern sections, New Jersey, Delaware. There might even be somebody's going to hit 70 here on Sunday, I'm telling you, ahead of this cold front. On the other side of this front, though, there's going to be some colder temperatures behind it. Colder relative to this weekend's temperatures, but not really cold compared to what it should be for this time of year. And temperatures as we get into Monday are going to be in the mid to upper 40s. So yes, that's cooler than the weekend, but it's still above average, okay? And I think that above average stretch is going to continue straight through the end of our forecast period until at least we get to next Wednesday, Thursday time frame, and then we take a step back toward average, or maybe even slightly below, as the next trough comes in. So we're looking at just rain from this system, and that's going to be coming in here on Saturday night, late Saturday night, and early Sunday morning. There could even be a thunderstorm with this. Some of the soundings are indicating some elevated convection, so we have to watch for that. Unbelievable, but yes, it's possible. This is going to be Sunday morning ahead of the frontal boundary, and we have rain just in the morning, and then this is going to move off to the east, and then we're going to have actually partial clearing in the afternoon here on Sunday, and temperatures are going to fall once the front passes. You will know when that front is through, when the winds pick up and the temperature drops, okay? But again, we're only dropping from low to mid 60s early Sunday, and then it's going to go back to 40s after that point. So still milder than average, and then we are dry until we get to, looks like Tuesday afternoon, evening. We're going to have another system coming at us here, just bringing us some showers, and scattered showers will go into Tuesday night. This is going to be a mild system too, no chance for any frozen precipitation. That goes through, and then we get a break here on Wednesday of next week with skies becoming partly cloudy. But again, temperatures are still going to be milder than average for a little bit, and then until we get to the end of the week, and I think we finally see some change. But this is going to be probably a week-long process, and it's going to be focused on this weekend for the exceptional warmth. So we're going to have well above normal temperatures this weekend, but that is synoptically driven because of this system coming in here, just pushing all that warm air northward, and then a combination of that and this big high pressure sitting out in the Atlantic is going to get some really warm temperatures up into our region, both Saturday and Sunday until that front passes. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for January 9th, 2020. Have a great Wednesday.